Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making a pumpkin bake. It's not quite a cake, bread, loaf, so I'll leave it up to you in the comments. Please let me know what you think I should call it, but for now, it's a pumpkin bake. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, our Facebook group is Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. We'd love you to join. And please subscribe to the Little House of Beans so we can continue to bring these recipes to you weekly. Hit that notification bell and click that like button. Our cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, is available on Amazon and as an ebook. I am ready to make this pumpkin bake on this really chilly Florida morning. Come, let's cook. Fun fact, while Stu and I were living in New York, I got lost in a pumpkin patch, honest to God, and it literally took Stu close to 6 hours to find me.